Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fluent English Speaking with Morani. I hope you were doing well and practicing spoken English every single day. So today I am going to discuss about, can you speak in English within 30 days or 3 months, that means 90 days or 1 week? If your question it is, so the answer is, it depends upon you. Because if you are a truly beginner, your level is totally zero, then you can't speak in English within 30 days. Of course, you learn how to speak in English, but you can't speak in English. And within 3 months, you can speak in English, but not fluently. Don't mix up speaking English and fluently speaking English. Try to understand the difference between speaking English and fluent English. You can speak in English within 3 months, but you can't be fluent. But if you have the environment for speaking English, or you can understand English, you can reading English, you can know uh, grammar rules, grammar definition, everything you know, then you can speak in English within 1 month. Or some people like they are learning English maybe 1 or 2 year or 3 or 4 year. For some reason they took a break from learning English, then they restart their journey, then they can speak in English within 1 month. But if you don't have the environment, if you are a beginner, then you can't speak in English within 1 month. I know so many videos available in YouTube. Learn English with speak English within 7 days, speak English within 15 days, speak English within 1 month, within 90 days. Don't believe it, because it is totally fraud. Actually, they want their views, they want their earning, they try to earn some money, they use your emotions. But if you were a truly beginner, you can't speak in English within 3 months or 1 month. Yeah, you can learn something. You can learn how to speak English within 1 month. And within 3 months, you can speak English a little bit, but not be fluent. So don't believe. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If it is, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Have a nice day.